beautifully laid out on approximately 11 acres of land at the Hope Botanical Gardens in Kingston. The Chinese Gardens was built and given to the people of Jamaica by the Embassy of the People's Republic of China in Jamaica. It was a gift to commemorate the island's 50th independence anniversary. The garden, which reflects aspects of Chinese architecture, is the only one of its kind in the Caribbean, Central and South America. It's called the Harmonious Enjoyment Garden because of the harmonious relationship between both countries. On Saturday, September 14, the garden was transformed into a cultural hub by the Embassy of the People's Republic of China in Jamaica. Chinese art and culture was on full display.
My fellow countrymen and dear friends, good afternoon. Welcome to Chinese Garden Party.
We are here to have a good time at the garden party of the Chinese Embassy here at the Chinese Garden at Hope Gardens. It adds value to the cultural aspect of our relationship.
We have prepared 6 cultural performances offered by the Chinese associations in Jamaica, the Confucius Institute at the Yui Mana, and boys from the Chinese Embassy in Jamaica. Without further ado, let's come to the first performance offered by Guangdong Association in Jamaica, Lion Dance.
Traditional Chinese culture. The performances were steeped in tradition and symbolism. The traditional music was mixed with the new. The youngest artist featured was a drummer who played along the music of reggae icon Bob Marley.
The next performance will be a solo Chinese comfort performance, also offered by the Guangdong Association in Jamaica.
Those in attendance were also treated to traditional Chinese music from the erhu, or Chinese violin. It is the most popular boat instrument in Chinese music. China has one of the most sophisticated food cultures in the world. The art of growing and cooking and eating authentic Chinese food brings people together. The food at this party? Delicious. A delicious reminder of China's rich history and culture.
Yeah.
It's a monkey.
Okay.
It's eyes, mouth, and ear. No, it's hairs. It's hairs.
Yeah.
And it's a monkey.
Also of great interest was the intricate art of Chinese calligraphy. Those in attendance not only got to see up close a master calligrapher at work, but they also tried their hand at it themselves.
Personally, I think it was fun and engaging. It exposed me to a lot of things that I've not seen before because I've never seen a lion dancing in person before. So it was fun.
This was a wonderful event. My children thoroughly enjoyed the lion dances, the cultural exposure was fantastic. I really appreciate the Chinese government for giving us this opportunity to just learn more about the culture.
This was a fantastic day. It shows you the cultural diversity in Jamaica. It's very good for my children to experience that cultural diversity. They're very young and they're living in Jamaica, and it's one out of many people, and we're seeing that today.
The one-of-a-kind experience in the Chinese Garden of Friendship at the Hope Botanical Gardens in Kingston was a welcome afternoon out for families and friends.
So I've always been interested in learning about other cultures or countries, and China is a very interesting country. I'm currently studying the language, so I wanted to feel what it would be like to live in China or be a part of their culture. So I joined the dress and it's been really nice so far.